Today we're going to be taking notes on biotic and abiotic factors in an ecosystem. So make sure you take out your notes in the ecology workbook on page 5. This is where you'll be writing down the notes that I'm speaking of. Okay? Start with biotic organisms. So biotic organisms are living parts of the environment. Anything in the environment that's alive. So animals, plants, mushrooms, fungi, bacteria, all of those are biotic factors in an ecosystem. And you can even remember this because the word bio means life. So biotic things are living parts of the ecosystem. Abiotic factors are things that are non-living parts of the environment. Non-living. So things like sunlight, water, air, soil, weather, rain, snow, all of those things are non-living parts of the ecosystem. And you can see the word biotic with an A in front of it. If there's an A in front of a word, a lot of times that means opposite. So this abiotic means the opposite of biotic. So if biotic means living things, abiotic means non-living things. Okay? Take a moment, pause the video, and draw some pictures in here for your notes to show what some biotic things are and what some abiotic things are. Okay, now once you have recorded your notes, I would like you to do this example at the bottom. So the instructions say circle the biotic things in green and the abiotic things in pink. So I gave you a green and pink highlighter, so use those highlighters, and I want you to circle all the biotic things in this picture in green, abiotic things in pink. Okay, so pause the video and complete this activity. All right, now let's take a look at what you did. So biotic things in this ecosystem, all of the living things that you should have circled in green should be things like the tree. I know this isn't green, sorry. The tree is living. The hawk is living. The turtle and the plant are living things. This beaver is living. Insects are living. Grass, the rabbit, this little frog, the eel, the fish, all of these things are biotic parts of the ecosystem. Okay, now let's see what the abiotic factors are, the non-living things. Those are things like the air. Oops. What? Not that. Hold on. Here we go. The air, the water in the pond, the rocks on the ground here are non-living things. The soil is non-living. Okay? So we have biotic is living, abiotic is non-living. Hopefully that helped. Now I would like you to continue the practice on page 5 and page 6 on your own, and we will go over this in class. Okay, so first you're going to fill in the blank, write 2 sentences. The blank is biotic because blank. So give me an example from the picture. Maybe the plant is biotic because, tell me why it's biotic. Give me another example. Then I want you to match the word to the examples. Okay, so you're going to draw a line for each picture. A tree is biotic. So draw a line from the tree to the word biotic. Okay, do that for all of these pictures. And then here we're filling in the blanks, right? Practicing with the words biotic and abiotic. Animals are biotic parts of an ecosystem. Okay? And then the last part, you're going to fill in the blanks of this paragraph using these words: sunlight, biotic, animals, living, non-living, and reproduce. Okay? We'll go over this next class. Goodbye. Come to office hours if you need help.